That hurt. Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I am ladonnajanay. We are doing a maintenance vlog today. I'm going to be showing you guys how I upkeep as a woman or whatever. I'm going to be waxing, I'm going to be doing my own hair, I'm going to get my braces adjusted, I'm going to get a manicure because these nails gotta go. They've been from New Year's, they're grown out, they're ugly, and that's not it. I'm going to get a pedicure because my toes is looking real bad. I ain't going to show y'all till tomorrow. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I maintenance myself because I do wax myself. I normally do my nails myself, but I need my cuticles cut. I need them to be like professionally done, and I always get my toes professionally done. So I'm going to get that done. I'm going to take y'all with me or whatever. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into waxing. I think, oh yeah, it's good. I like my wax to be thick. This is the wax that I have. It is Salon Depot, and I use this for coarse hair because I have coarse hair. My hair is very, very thick. So I'm going to be doing my sideburns, my lip, my eyebrows, my chin, and all that other good stuff. Oh, bitch, ha. This is like, I don't know why I'm so sensitive today. Oh my god. Like, I just be ripping this shit like it's nothing, but I don't know, today I'm just really sensitive. Might be that time of the month coming. Oh my. So now we wait. Y'all see how smooth a bitch is? Yeah. It really hurt this time. I was really, really sensitive. I think it's because, like I said, it's about to be that time of the month. I don't know. But I was really sensitive. These are hard. I don't know if I want to pull. Oh, shit. Like I said, I'm really sensitive right now, and I don't know why. And it's driving me crazy. Like, normally I'm not sensitive. I be ripping these things off like it's nothing. So sensitive. It's irritating me. So for these brows, like I said, there's no shape to them. As you can see, I just literally do them. I have no rhyme or rhythm. Like I said, most of the time I'll do them when I am doing my makeup. So that way I have the shape that I like, but I'm just going to go in and I'm kind of just cleaning them up at the moment. Because my eyebrows have no shape to them. Which is fine by me. Like I said, because I draw them on and what else? I don't really care about a shape, honestly.
on you. Only say like me, yeah. But if you call and you talk to a girl, I'll share my world with you. You gon' waste your time, yeah. Waste your time, baby. I mean, honestly, open your eyes and see. Give me what you need. Waste your time, baby. You can have all the space, all that you need. Ain't so pressure. If you got time to waste it, baby. And I ain't worried about them. Girl, you all that I see. And I am who I am. And I be where I be. If you ever hit me on the late night.
So I am here about to get my braces done. I haven't really been vlogging, but today's a Monday. These things are about to get changed. I'm gonna get black. I'm gonna get a spring in between here. You can see my hair I put in my U part. But yeah, I'm about to go in here and get these braces done. I haven't even really been vlogging for this maintenance. I did end up getting my nails done. I don't know if you guys can see. French tip. These are my natural nails. But yeah, I'm about to go in here and get these braces done. My mouth is about to hurt. I did eat before, so that I should be okay till like dinner, and maybe I'll take an Advil and the soreness will go away, because these ones are about to get stretched, and baby, oh, it's about to hurt. So I got my braces done. You guys probably can't see, but this one is engaged and my fucking teeth hurt so bad. Like, they're hella tight right now. It's to push this one into place to make it straight. And then they broke my bracket on the top right here. I had a bracket, but that's a crown. So the tooth is very, very slippery because it's porcelain. So the bracket won't stay on it. And she broke it and like pinched my lip. Hurt so bad. But my teeth are super tight. He's like, your top teeth are straight. They're not getting any straighter. Like, we just need to focus on the bottom. I'm like, okay, fine, whatever, you know. So I have like 6 more months of my braces and they are coming off. Amen. That is the end of the vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And until my next one, stay true, stay you, and stay positive. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well and the post notification bell.